So, hi dear Cancer, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 12th till the 18th of August, and it is valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with, along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story, you can just skip the video. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Let's start. Cancer, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. We have the Four of Wands. Okay, someone is feeling like having a commitment kind of energy here, having this energy of okay stability, or feeling like bringing the stability back in the situation in some way, shape, or form, or trying to do something good about the situation. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's a good start. Let me clarify the Four of Wands. Could be someone planning to have something long term with you, kind of a deal. Let me see. We have the Emperor, the Queen of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles. Wow. This is someone who feels like having a brand new beginning with you. It's like this person have decided, they are 100% sure, they got the 100% clarity, 1000% clarity that they should come forward towards you with some kind of solid offer on the table, with some kind of solid offer, solid deal on the table. It could be a totally new person, it could be somebody who is not that much expressive, but they got this clarity that you are the one for them. Cancer, somebody is getting this clarity that you belong to them, or you are the one for them, or you are a marriage material, or you are a commitment kind of a person. Okay. Okay, this is somebody who is healing. This is somebody who is not might be talking to you right now, but the more they are healing, the more they are having this energy of you being the one for them, getting this clarity that you are the one for them, and they feel like giving you this brand new opportunity. They feel like doing it. Very good. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? Eight of Swords. It's like you can't stop thinking a negative about a particular situation. You are in a mental jail. You can't see things clearly. Even if you want to, you are not able to see things clearly about a particular person or situation. You are trapped in your own thoughts. You are trapped in your mind. Your mind is continuously telling you something else, and your heart is continuously telling you something else. But you are in a trap. You're feeling trapped in a situation, and as much as you're trying to break the trap, get out of this trap, you're not able to do that. Let's clarify the Eight of Swords here. We have the Fool, the Two of Swords, and the Justice. Yes, you feel like breaking free from a particular situation where you're not able to see the clear picture of the situation, like where it is going, where it is heading, if you will ever be able to get the justice or balance out of the situation, if you ever will if you will be ever able to trust this particular person or energy again in your life. It's like it could be a new person, new energy that you are connected with or trying to connect with, but you have trust issues. You have severe trust issues. You are not able to let go of certain things out of your life, out of your system, and you are trying your best to be balanced, trying your best to be fair with everything and everyone that's coming around you. You are feeling like you should just go with the flow and do things, and do whatever you feel is right for you, but at the same time you can't stop thinking negative about a particular person or situation, or because of the past experiences you are not able to open up to new energies as well the way you should, but you are trying your best to do so. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cancer? Two of Wands. I think this person wants to wait. This person wants to wait and watch. This person wants to wait for the right time, right energies, right kind of approach, or right kind of deal. Let me clarify the Two of Wands. It's like waiting and watching. We have the Five of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles, the Six of Cups. Yes, this person wants to wait for the time when the anger is going to be down, when the manipulations are going to be down, when they will be able to come towards you with clean energies. Okay, let's be together. We are soulmates. We have a good connection. We have good memories together. Let's make this work out. This person wants to come towards you with clean slate, with clean energies of letting go of every ego a related problem, letting go of manipulations, letting go of lyings and cheatings and everything. And they just want to wait for the time when they will be able to come towards you with a clean slate, with a clean energy of, okay, let's make this work out, because we guys are soulmate and we guys have a potential. For some of it could be a totally new person who's dealing with somebody else, might be, and they want to come towards you when they will be able to sort everything out with the other person that they're dealing with. Could be a possibility. But for most of you, it's a past person, past energy that wants a reconciliation with you, and they want to come towards you with a clean slate, with a clean and clear cut energy. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? This is a very positive reading today. Somebody is wanting a long term partnership with you. Somebody wants to come clean with you, come clean towards you, but you're not able to trust this person. What do you want? Ace of Wands in reverse. I think you don't want to give this person another chance. You are in this energy of, I don't want to give you another shot. From my side, I'm done. From my side, it's done. From my side, I can't give you any more energies. Even if it is a new person, you are not able to open up to this particular person or situation, because again, the past is still haunting you. We have the High Priestess in reverse, the Three of Wands, and the Three of Swords. Yeah, you want to move on from the pain that you're already experiencing. You just want to move on from the pain that you're already experiencing. You just don't want anybody new in your life, or anything new in your life, at least for the time being, because you are too hurt to be in anything new or with anyone new. It's whether it's a past person or whether it's a totally new energy. You are in this energy of being very verbal about it. You are going to tell this person very honestly and openly that I need time, I need space, I am healing, I'm still going through something painful, I'm still moving on from something painful, and I need a lot of time to get out of that situation in order to move forward with anybody. So I need time, I need space. So you need time and space in order to move forward. Right now you just want to be focused on yourself, your looks, your money, your job, your career, everything about you. Everything about you. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 18th of August. What could be the possible outcome of the situation? Temperance card. I do see a lot of patience. Seven of Swords at the bottom of the deck. You are still dealing with something deceptive or someone deceptive. Now aware of this energy. Temperance is a card of reconciliation as well. But let me clarify the Temperance. It's like slowly but surely something is coming towards you. But again, either you're not able to let go of the deceptive energies, the lying and cheating, or something that they did with you, or still there is something deceptive in their energies. Okay, although I don't see anything wrong in their intentions and in their feelings, but might be they're still not prepared, but anyways, trying to come towards you. Slowly but surely, something is coming together. Slowly but surely, something is coming together. A relationship is coming together. It could be a reconciliation for some of you, for others of you, it's a new person, new energy. It's like something is developing into a very beautiful connection, slowly but surely. It's going to take some more time for this connection to develop into a full-fledged relationship or something, but something is aligning. Something will start aligning with your energies. But I don't know, the Seven of Swords in the background is telling me that there might be still something going on with this particular person's energy that is not, this person is not still not a 100% truthful and honest with you, even if they are coming towards you. So take it really very very slow, understand the process, understand these energies completely and properly, and then move forward. But with time, I think slowly but surely something is coming back together in a very, very beautiful way. And finally you will be able to let go of the pain and let go of this energy of you holding on to something or someone that you are not able to let go of in a negative way, right? So yeah, something beautiful is coming up towards you in a very like slow way, slow and gentle, slowly but surely. A very beautiful connection, a very beautiful relationship is developing between you and another energy here. One of you is going to be very passionate, one of other person is going to be quite loving and nurturing, and it's going to be very slow process, very slow and steady. Let's see the guidance for you guys here. We have the wheel of fortune, the five of swords in reverse, and the death in reverse. How come they are in reverse? I don't know. So just surrender to the divine. Stop overthinking about everything and everyone. Past is a past for some reason. Whatever happened in the past, it's not like everyone in your life is going to give you the same experience that you had in the past. Okay, not everyone around you is there to like harm you or hurt you or do something bad with you or use you in any way, shape, or form. Okay, you just need to trust the process, trust the universe. Slowly but surely, everything is going to be fine with your energies in your life, but at the same time you need to trust the process, trust the universe, and you have to let go of this limiting belief that you are going to get hurt again and again and again, because it has become your belief now that love is not meant for you. It's not like that. It's not like that. You have to work on this limiting belief that love is meant for you as well. Everyone deserves love, including you. You are a good soul, you are a good person, you are a good energy, so you also deserve love. So all you have to do is trust the process, trust the universe, let go and let God and surrender, and everything will start aligning with your energies, because you will be working on yourself, you will be taking care of yourself, you will be preparing yourself for the other chapter and the next level of your life, next chapter of your life. So the universe is going to help you in moving to the next chapter of your life, slowly but surely. It's a slow but steady process. Okay, so yeah, but something is going to align with your energies very, very soon. Someone is going to enter in your life that's going to match with your vibrations, match with your energies. It's not going to be like instant connection or instant relationship, but this is something that has the potential to become something really beautiful in the coming future. So after a very long time, I got a very beautiful reading for you guys. I'm glad. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.